a great choice today with the 2017 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, adjustable steering wheel, driver lumbar, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, ABS four-wheel, rear defrost, auto-off headlights, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, child safety locks, bucket seats, power windows, side head airbag, power door locks, passenger airbag. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
If you like this vehicle, we'd be happy to send you a personalized interactive e-quote that allows you to quickly and easily calculate the cash, finance, and lease options available to you. All incentives and rebates will be right at your fingertips, along with the ability to value your trade and learn about your potential salesperson. Do this all from your home at your pace and your way. Fill out the Request More Info form and we will text and email your very own personalized e-quote today.